Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and today is a self-care day. So no makeup, no straightener, nothing. So only self-care. So October was like really lit. It was the festive month, and yeah, after like a month of doing so much of face art and makeup, I think my skin needs a break. So here I have some green tea because I also need the detoxing. Actually, I am always consuming green tea. There was a time in my life when I was consuming so much of coffee that I was suffering from insomnia. Literally, I couldn't sleep. That also because I was having like 5 to 6 cups of coffee. So yeah, I am trying to stick to like green tea, only green tea. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I am lactose intolerant and I consumed a lot of sweets and dairy and everything this month, so I need some face mask. So this is a yogurt and neem dust, a face mask. I have combination skin, sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry, but the season is like changing and my skin is becoming really dry, so therefore the yogurt. And the neem is to fight the acne. So I just now graduated from college and I don't have any classes right now. I will have classes but from December, so November I am free, so thinking about painting and doing a lot of DIY. So let's start. I generally make drawings for my wall, and here am I consuming another cup of green tea, and I also have an apple. Told you, today is a cleansing day. Okay, so this is my room and these are the drawings that I've made, not all of them but some of them. And this is the view outside the window where I am sitting to make YouTube videos. This is the reason why I'm always sitting. It's such a beautiful view, although it's a bit cloudy today. Let's start. By the way, I am playing the Ariana Grande Positions album. It's all the songs basically. Can't add the music here because of copyright issues, but you should definitely check out her new album. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I know it's nothing so special, but this is very therapeutic for me. Okay, now I washed out my face mask and I have to moisturize my face. It's getting really gloomy today, I have no idea why. So I just had lunch and now I switched off all the lights except for the fairy lights, and I'm gonna watch something, maybe an anime or something like that, I don't know. And yeah, that was it for today's video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.